Hey guys, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at solar today. We've got, I think IBD said that it flashed a buying opportunity today, which I'm not exactly sure what their criterion are as far as what a buying opportunity is, but it definitely got my attention. So I just want to look at this real, take a minute or two is all. We've got this tight consolidation here. It's getting tighter all the time. As I see it, the trading range right now is, it's really, just in this range right there. In order for me to feel good about, you really need to see it break out. Really need to see it break out above that level. And perhaps that will happen, but as is typically the case, you're not often going to see the actual ETF be the best way to trade the sector that the ETF is devoted to here, the solar sector. What I wind up doing a lot on, and I track a lot of ETFs. It's kind of a lazy person's way to keep up with the broader market, because if you look at the ETFs, then you say, oh, well, that looks really good. And then it's really easy just to look at the holdings. And so you're, with the click of a mouse, you're able to zoom right in on the stuff that works. So for example, this TAN ETF, solar ETF, the things I think about, the first one is First Solar, then I think of ENPH. And then Solar Edge, ARRY, there's a couple others in there as well. So those are the things that I think about, but I'll go over here and pop this out, boom, and now I get 18 items. Now, a lot of these, I won't say a lot of them, but some of them are crap. If a stock's trading at, well, here, 71 cents, probably not anything that I'm particularly interested in. But I will go through the entire list just to see what's looking good. And so I see the solar ETF. Okay, fine, that looks good. ARRY looks better. This one, it's definitely something to keep in mind. This one, nope. Looks okay. You can see some of these are really setting up to where they look like they could work. Solar, Canadian Solar, no, not yet. Definitely no. Nova, maybe not right now. Solar Edge. So we just kind of keep going. ENPH, I've had this for a while. Spyware or SunPower, no. First Solar, this could be, we're in a kind of a sideways phase here on this stock, so I'm not looking for huge things from this here, but it could, let me put it this way, I don't think the sun's going down here. I think it's just going to drift along the 50 for a while. So anyway, I could go through the rest of them, but I'm not gonna. The thing is, with the solar ETF, we like this. I like that. I like ARRY better. This is a really nice move today on heavier than average volume, breakout, I believe, above this last high here, which is 23.50, 23.84. So we're 34 cents above this last high here. And so, yeah, I think ARRY is the deal. Going through all of this, everything else, I like ARRY better than First Solar, better than Solar Edge, better than ENPH. Give me ARRY or don't give me anything at all. All right, that's it. By the way, I'm right in the middle of my December sale for our courses, and also a discount on membership for Stock Market Mentor. So check that out if you're interested. If you find anything of value in my videos, then imagine the value that you can get when you're getting more of them. That's all I can say. Either way, I hope to see you here again. Have a good evening.